Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, so this is the first of three examples on the tangent angle addition formula. And because the three examples are very different from one another, you have to check out all three of them. In addition, because tangent angle subtraction or difference formula would have very similar examples to these, I'm not going to make any videos on that. Last but not least, the third of these examples will be revisiting that famous three squares problem, which I've solved without using trigonometry in my geometry video section, so I'll link that below this. Okay, so the task here is to find the tangent of 75 degrees. You can do this in one of three ways. One is to use a calculator, which we're obviously not going to do, and the other is to use the tangent angle addition formula. But there's a third option, as I just said. And that third option is to remember the side relationships of the special triangle 15, 75, 90. Yes, just like the 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90, there's a special triangle that's 15, 75, 90. And I derive the side relationships of that special triangle, the 15, 75, 90, in my geometry video section, so I'll link that below this also. All right. So let's get started here. And so to start, we see that tan of 75 could be thought of as tan of 30 plus 45. Cool, because we're familiar with 30 and 45. And using the tangent angle addition formula, which would say the tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha times tan beta, we see that tan of 30 plus 45 could be thought of as, or it could be written as, this. Cool. Now, I don't know how you do tan of 30 and tan of 45, but for me, I just picture the 30, 60, 90 when I need to do tan of 30, and then the 45, 45, 90 degree triangle when I have to do tan of 45. Now, for tan of 30, we know that in the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, across from the 30 is 1, when across from the 60 is root 3. So tan of 30 has got to be 1 over root 3. And you get it. You similarly deal with tan of 45 and so on. So you write this, right? Tan of 30 is 1 over root 3. Tan of 45 is 1 over 1, and so on, right? Okay, all right. And so from here, it's just simplifying that we have left to do. First, we get a common denominator here, and that'd be like doing that. And then we get a common denominator here. Well, first we simplify this to this, because like, yeah, you get it. And then getting common denominators would have us write this. And then now we're dividing two fractions, so we could take the fraction on top and multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction we're dividing it by, which is this. And this is stuff that you should know how to do if you're in pre-calculus, right? Okay, and then canceling the root 3's, you could write this.